In today's video, I'll show you how to monitor website traffic in Cloudflare so you can understand your visitors, track requests, and analyze your website performance. If you're new to Cloudflare Analytics, it helps you see important information about your website traffic, including visitor activity, security events, and how Cloudflare is handling requests. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select the website you want to monitor. Next, open the Analytics section from the menu. This is where Cloudflare displays data about your website traffic and performance. Here you can view different types of information, such as total requests, data transferred, visitors, cached content, and traffic patterns over time. Use the available filters to focus on specific time periods or traffic sources. This makes it easier to understand when your website receives the most activity. You can also check security analytics to see blocked requests, suspicious activity, and other events detected by Cloudflare's protection systems. For a deeper look at your website performance, review cache statistics. This shows how much content is being served through Cloudflare instead of your original server. If you notice unusual traffic spikes, compare the analytics data with your recent website activity to understand what caused the change. Regularly checking your Cloudflare analytics helps you identify performance issues, monitor growth, and keep your website running efficiently. Once you understand your traffic patterns, you can make better decisions about caching, security rules, and website optimization. And that's how you monitor website traffic in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.